Hello! So, I'm Janika Ruska and this is my study journey. I'm studying my master's degree in the University of Helsinki, studying neuroscience there. One thing what I faced kind of beginning of my studies, so we got these kind of canvas bags before we started, really nice ones. And I just thought why this part is so kind of thick and the material is really like durable, and it seems like you can carry something really heavy with this. And when I picked up my second book for my second course from the library, I realized what we need to carry with that, because we have these thick books. I really love this book. It's kind of Bible for neuroscientists, and I really like this, but it's super heavy. And then I started to figure out where you can actually use that book. So let's see. So that was kind of short introduction to this actual video. So I'm gonna talk about training today, since it's a huge part of my life and really good to do, because I'm also studying, so my body needs something else too, and it's my way to also get relaxed, and I can sleep better when I'm doing something with my body. Anyway, I have done a lot of different exercises in my life, like I have done swimming, horse riding, judo, ballet, hip-hop, ice skating, snowboarding, basketball, climbing, aerial acrobatics, a lot of different things, but because I like also things that I don't need to be somewhere because of some certain schedule. I have so much schedules already, so that is one reason why I'm at the moment doing gym and the climbing, and I like them also in other ways too. I have done gym around 5 years, and I remember when I started it was awful. It was just awful because I didn't have too much muscles during that time. And when I started, I felt super weak, and I didn't know what to do. What are all those machines? And I don't know even how many times I have to go there, and like which muscle groups I should train, how many times, how I actually do the movements. I was just feeling really uncomfortable at the gym. Luckily, I got some help from my friends, and I started many times. I quit. I started again, because I also felt super sick. So I got sick more often when I started. My first goal was that, because my position, like with my body, it was more like, can I even do it anymore like this? And so my first goal was that I will just get better position, and for that I needed some muscles. That was my first goal, and the results in the beginning, you can see them pretty fast if you just stick with your gym program. And then the goals changes. When I got stronger, I wanted to achieve some certain kind of weights, like with the deadlift it was 100 kilos, and when I achieved those things, then I just changed my goals again. Then I focused for a moment more to bodyweight training, and I wanted to do handstand, still in progress. And then pull-ups, that I'm doing at the moment still. And different goals, different times. I hired my friend as my personal trainer. I supposed to have him for 2 months, I remember, but he ended up to be my personal trainer for 2 years. I don't know what happened, but it was really good, because now I know how to plan my programs, and I know how to do the movements, and it was a good for that time that someone watched it that I'm actually doing. So I'm really happy I hired him for 2 years. But anyway, now I'm doing those by myself, and I go to the gym around 3 times per week. It has changed. And what else? Yeah. Let's go for the few pictures and then for the video. You probably saw that on the first picture I was kind of small, and the second one I had more muscles and I was super lean, and the third one where it's the like most recent one, there I still have the muscle, but I'm not that lean at the moment. And I think this is part of the journey, part of the gym, that if you train a long time, even your whole life, your body will change once in a while, and it's okay that you don't stick with the same condition. You have other life too going on, so things affects to that, and maybe your motivations change and so on. But yeah, I like to take care of my body. It's really good also to my mind. And in the next videos I will show you what I'm doing at the moment. So I'm training 3 times per week, and different muscle groups, and I will show part of them to you. was it? Now you saw part of my training. As I mentioned before, I'm doing it 3 times per week at the moment, and at the moment I'm just taking care of my current condition because I don't have time to put new goals, or this is my excuse. And about excuses, by the way, so I have times when I'm not into the gym. So there might be 1 week, or then there might be 3 months or even more. I have gone through that when I don't have motivation to train. Usually I'm still doing that. So I still go, it's my routine, same as brushing your teeth. So it's just, it takes longer. But anyway, it's kind of routine. I have studied this from my own body and mind, that I know that I can still go there, and it makes actually good for my mind. And I might have breaks sometimes, like when I'm traveling. I'm not taking pressure about it that I need to go to the gym. At the moment I'm not traveling, surprise. But then of course if I'm sick or then that I have too tight schedule. Usually I have always time, even a short train session. And yeah, because it's sometimes just I might take break without reason, 1 week maybe. If I take longer, like 2-3 weeks, then it's harder to start again. Then it's like I like this, then I don't need to go anywhere and do anything. So it's just easier when I go there, maybe 1 week break somewhere in the year, but then otherwise just doing the workout, and of course listening my body and mind. Yeah, but I feel it's super important me, since I'm having a lot of work in the computer or sitting somewhere. So I really enjoy that I can do some kind of movement to my body. Yeah, and maybe, yeah, one mention that I have had also the busy times. I had this 1 year when I wrote my previous kind of thesis. I worked full time at the same time, so I did crazy days. I went to work around 7 a.m, then finished around 3 p.m, had a small break, continued in library writing my thesis for a long time, and I was ready around evening time, and I still went to the gym and also saw some friends once in a while. But it has been really important to me that I get energy for other things from training. So that is the thing what I have learned from myself. All right, that was all. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye.